What's that light doing? Ah! You scared me! Ooh, a dino! Let me try that. Oops. Oh, it's only my Scribble Scrubbies. Ooh, there's a bat and ghost too. This is so cool. Let's craft some spooky stuff with them. Hello, little Scribble Scrubby pets. A clay ball? Okay. Rolling, rolling, swish! Hey, I got a new coat for you. A spooky coat. Maybe some colors make you not so spooky. Look, you're an ice cream ghost. Boo! Woohoo! Flying ghost in the air. A witch hat? That's for Rhino. Unicorn one for my horsey. They're ready for a spooky Halloween night. Oh, we forgot Kitty. Yeah, the jester hat fits her very well. But she needs some washing. Now she's ready for new colors. Done! Their costumes are fantastic, but they need something for the candies. Whoa, that's a great idea. They need a bucket for trick-or-treating. A jack-o'-lantern bucket is the best for this year's Halloween. It looks so cool. And everyone gets one of them. Yes, I got it right here. This pumpkin color is perfect. Now we need the roof tiles and windows. Snip, snip, the window's ready. With double swings. I like that. Very spooky fun. We need more houses for the whole neighborhood. Let's put them up on the street. The Scribble Scrubbies and their buckets are ready for Halloween. Look, they're trick-or-treating. Knock, knock, trick-or-treat. The whole town's glowing with magic. Get the bucket and let's go. Happy Halloween, friends!